Welcome everybody to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. I want to introduce this 2023 Sportster S in billiard blue, but what makes this bike really special is the Jekill Hyde 3-mode exhaust system that we just installed on. Our technician Hollywood is here to demonstrate it today. You got 3 modes: quiet, medium, and loud, all electronically controlled from the handlebar. And Harley-Davidson of Danbury is a factory authorized Jekill Hyde dealer. Hollywood, take it away. Show us how this thing works.
Here you go. Going to fire up your bike. Beautiful exhaust. Going to start in Dr. Jekyll mode.
Awesome, Hollywood. How does it run when you rode it?
Excellent. Excellent bike. It runs well.
Did you run it in the wide open mode?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you shut it down and you restart the bike, it always goes back to the quiet mode first?
Quiet mode, yeah. So in case you forget to leave it on, it'll keep it in quiet mode before you restart it. So you don't bother your neighbors or your wife.
Awesome. Makes an awesome bike even more awesome. Thanks, Hollywood. And again, Harley-Davidson of Danbury, factory authorized Jekill Hyde exhaust system dealer. Thank you for watching.